Looking for a video, quiz, or interactive slides? Edpuzzle makes it easy to find the right activity, fast. First, let's head to the Discover page, where you can search by topic, like photosynthesis or French and Indian War. Here, you'll find ready-to-use activities created by real teachers, all set for you to assign or copy and make your own. Want to narrow your search? Using filters, you can sort by subject, grade level, or content type to find the perfect fit for your students. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Edpuzzle makes it easy to collaborate and save prep time by building on the work of other teachers. Visit the My School or My Network tab to see what other teachers in your own school or district have saved. You can also visit My School or My Network section in the left sidebar to select a teacher and view the activities they've saved. Want to use a YouTube video? Just paste the link or browse the YouTube tab right inside Edpuzzle. And if you use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, you can install the Edpuzzle extension to transport videos from YouTube to Edpuzzle in just one click. Whether you're exploring the Discover page, My School, My Network, YouTube, or Edpuzzle Originals, saving an activity is easy. When you find one you want to use, assign it right away, or save a copy to My Content. And if you want to make changes, you can easily edit your own version to fit your unique classroom. Ready to explore? Jump into the Discover page to start building your very own interactive library.